no. That's her butt. Don't touch.
This, pull this down. Like this.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
The cat was really thirsty, but at the same time, it was just too lazy to get up. Have you ever been scared of your own belongings? This cat gets frightened by its own tail. And look at these cats. They're actually having fun while taking a bath. This cat kept bothering the dog, so the dog decided to teach it a lesson. Now, watch this cat's reaction. It's terrified of a car horn.
No.
This cat is incredibly smart. Its owner has trained it really well. Whenever it's feeling down, it sits like this, as if it's lost in its own sad thoughts. Imagine what would have happened if its owner hadn't been there. It got itself completely stuck. This black cat loves watching TV every single day and enjoys dancing along to it. This cat thought it had become a monkey and could slide around however it wanted, but it's still just a cat.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
It's about to mistake its own tail for a mouse and eat it. Somebody stop it. The dog clearly doesn't like this cat at all. It sees the cat as its enemy.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
This is the cat's favorite sleeping spot, but it forgot just how high up it is. Can you guess what it's focusing on so intensely? It had spotted a mouse. Would your child have this much fun at a park like this? Now watch what this cat does next. I love its unique way of scratching its face. It's definitely one of a kind.
Baba Bowie.
Freeze!
The cat thought this tail belonged to its owner, so it almost tried to bite it. The dog is actually very gentle and harmless. It didn't do anything to the cat, even though the cat hit it.
Hey!
Most cats are afraid of baths. I don't think this one will ever want to go near water again.
No.
They were throwing snowballs at each other when one accidentally hit their cat. This girl was dancing with her cat, and suddenly the cat started dancing just like her. Now, just watch this cat's hilarious game with its own tail. They simply put their cat in the water, but what happened next was amazing. It started swimming like a pro.
Wait a minute! minute. Who are you?
This is a special little house made just for them, complete with a giant fish inside. Cats were once powerful hunters, but over time they became beloved companions to humans. Take a look at how intelligent this cat is. This is how it calls its owner. Can you guess what's happening here? One cat was actually sleeping on top of another. When you're sick, this is exactly how your beloved pet might gently pull its paw away from your hand. Have you seen the power of its tail? It looks completely confused about what's going on. This is exactly why I never let my dog do any work. It always manages to create chaos.
Hey! Hey!
What do you think the cat whispered into its ear? The two cats were patiently waiting to catch the bird, but the car owner ruined their plan. This cat is a little thief. Whenever it sees an opportunity, it goes straight for the steal. Now watch what happens to this cat. It never expected to get hit like that. Cats are incredible imitators. They can copy almost anything.
Hey!
It thought this was a special bed made just for it, so it's having the time of its life.
No.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Looks like this cat was really thirsty. Have you ever seen a cat dance to the beat like this? Does your cat dance too? This is its favorite food, so it dropped everything and rushed straight over. This cat was making a mess with the tissues, but after being told to stop, look what it does. Never pick a fight with a cat. Just remember, it probably thinks it was a lion in a past life.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
It was only being cleaned, but the way it screamed made it sound like the greatest injustice in the world. Whenever I visit a park, it always makes me want to play like this too.
The orange.
I'm sure you've never seen slides this amazing before. Now tell me, what do you think this cat is looking at?
Thank you.
Now watch this video. How on earth did they train this cat like that? Your cat wants to experience it too, so take it along. At first, you won't understand what's happening here. Watch closely and you'll figure it out. If you have a naughty cat like this at home, it can be quite a challenge. He was actually trying to catch a mouse, but his shirt came off instead. This cat wants to be a model, but it's kept indoors at home.